Sit down, why? You want me to climb in there with you? Oh, with the frog? You can have a sit down with the frog?
See a new friend. See a new friend. See a new friend.
Is that his new friend?
It's the daddy.
Is that the daddy and the baby? You should give him a kiss. You gonna give him a kiss? No.
Bye.
You give him a kiss. You're all messy. We have to do your hair. Mwah. Is that nice?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What's your... Bye-bye, big frog.
Bye-bye, big frog.
How frog?
Little frog? Ha.
Mommy.
Yes, I'm over here now. Whew. Ha. Ha. What happened? Oh my. Oh my. Huh? Whee. Whee.